Hello, and welcome to our parent meeting. I'm happy that you can join me tonight. My name is Mike Wooden, and I'm so excited to offer this amazing opportunity for our students. In this meeting, I'm going to tell you more about our trip and all the fun things that students are going to do and see. We'll show you a video about World Strides and why I'm so excited to have them as our partner for this trip. In this video, you'll learn a little bit more about World Strides so you have a better understanding of their history, mission, and value, and why they are so passionate about educational travel. You'll also learn about the great tools they have available to help families pay for the trip, including financial assistance, fundraising, and affordable payments. Then we'll talk about how to sign up for the trip. This meeting should take about 20 minutes. It'll be great. A trip you'll remember for years to come. Let's get to the exciting part and watch a short video from a prior World Strides trip. You'll see and hear the students talk about how much fun they had and the amazing things they learned along the way.
I would recommend this trip to other students because it's a really great experience. You get to have a good time with your friends and you learn a lot.
It's been really amazing. They've been taking me a bunch of places.
My favorite part has been Lincoln Memorial because I got to finally see it in real life instead of on a computer.
DC is amazing! You get to be hands-on with things, you get to learn things with your friends, and you get to actually see what you're learning in class in real life.
Wow, that's going to be your child seeing and doing all those things. It's going to be an incredible experience. What's included? One of the great things about working with World Strides is that everything is included in our trip. The price of our trip includes hotel accommodations, transportation to and from our destination and throughout the entire trip while in our destination. The price includes all meals, admission to all the different attractions, and much more. We will get our own course leader. This is a World Strides staff member who is specially trained on our destination and will really bring the trip to life with the students. Because of World Strides accreditation, all students going on the trip have the opportunity to earn free high school credit through the Discovery for Credit program. We'll also enjoy the coverage and protection of World Strides and all they do to support and keep their travelers safe. We'll hear more about this a little later. It's really an amazing value. Sample trip highlights. Now for the fun part. Let's talk about specific details of our trip. On our trip, some of the attractions will include the Arlington National Cemetery, Tomb of the Unknown Soldier, the Marine Corps Memorial, the United States Capitol, Supreme Court, and Library of Congress, the Jefferson Memorial, the Lincoln Memorial, and the Martin Luther King Jr. Memorial, the World War II Memorial, the Smithsonian Museums, the White House, the Korean War Memorial, the Vietnam Veterans Memorial, and the Washington Monument. World Strides story. Now I'm going to play a short video about World Strides. Like I said, it will tell you more about their history, their mission and values, all of the many layers of the support they have in place and the tools that they have available to help you pay for this incredible experience.
World Strides, the nation's most trusted educational student travel provider, is taking you on a trip. Over the next few minutes, you'll learn more about World Strides' mission and values and why we are so passionate about educational student travel. You'll also learn about the industry-leading support network we have in place to ensure a safe experience, our educational philosophy, as well as the many tools we have in place to make these trips possible for all students. We are honored to have partnered with your program leader to offer your child this amazing experience. This is the very first group of students that traveled on a World Strides program in 1967. An 8th grade history teacher from Chicago, Illinois, took the entire grade to Washington, D.C. He was so inspired by travel, he stopped teaching and started World Strides. Fast forward to today. Over 500,000 students and nearly 10,000 teachers from all 50 states travel with us each year. And that adds up to over 9 million students that have traveled with World Strides over the last 50-plus years. Over our history, we've established the best relationships with the best travel vendors in the industry. That's everything from airlines to hotels to motor coaches to attractions, which is such a critical part of ensuring the best experience possible on each and every trip. But let's talk about safety and support first. With 50 years' experience, we know what it takes to offer a flawless trip experience for teachers and students, and this all starts even before you depart. Your teacher, whom we'll call a program leader, is assigned to a dedicated account manager. This is a travel logistics expert who has crafted the perfect itinerary for your group. They'll work with your program leader to coordinate all the details leading up to travel so the students will be prepared for the big day. Parents, that's what we call you watching this video. You'll have your own support team as well. Our World Strides customer support team is available to help you with everything from registering for the trip to helping you with your packing list. You'll even be assigned a financial support representative who can assist you with everything from financial assistance to payment plans. Now for the students. That's also you watching this video. As your travel date arrives, the strength of World Strides really kicks in. We have one of the biggest and best safety and support networks in the industry, all designed to ensure a safe experience for all travelers. The following are a few of the many measures in place, with specifics being slightly different based upon your particular travel destination. From the moment you arrive at the airport, you're met by one of our field specialists who greets your group and connects you with your motor coach and World Strides course leader. This course leader is a destination expert, specially trained by our curriculum and academics team to bring learning to life. Our course leaders and motor coach drivers, who are the best in the industry, work hand in hand to get you around your destination quickly and safely to maximize the fun and learning. After a day of travel and exploring, World Strides will have a representative waiting at the hotel for you. This person is called an on-site coordinator, and they will be your hotel liaison to ensure everything goes smoothly. At the hotel, there are also night chaperones. These World Strides staff members are located on each hallway to keep a watchful eye over the students to make sure they get a good night's sleep. But the safety network doesn't stop there. There is a 24/7 support team called World Assist that's ready to take action at a moment's notice should the need arise. The phone number to World Assist is printed on all student name badges for quick access if needed. World Strides also has an exclusive partnership with the George Washington University Department of Emergency Medicine. This Doctors on Call program is available 24/7 should a medical incident occur during the trip. And last, but certainly not least, all travelers are automatically covered under World Strides medical, dental, and accidental insurance in the unlikely event that it would be needed. Like we said, the safety of our travelers has always been World Strides' #1 priority.
Education in everything we do is also one of World Strides' guiding principles. Throughout our history, we have seen the incredible impact that travel has on the lives of young people. Better grades, higher college acceptance rates, great self-confidence, a more global perspective, career advancement, the list goes on. It's stats like these and the stories we hear each and every day from our traveling teachers and students that fuel our passion for making travel possible for all students. World Strides is accredited. Just like your school, we undergo the same rigorous accreditation process that your school has to go through, and we are proud to say that we pass with top honors. It's this accreditation that allows us to offer our Discovery for Credit program, where students have the opportunity to earn high school credit, and on some programs, those high school students in grades 9 through 12 at time of travel can even earn 3 college credits through our university partner, George Mason University. Students can enroll in the Discovery for Credit program after they register for the trip, and they'll have up to 6 months after travel to complete their online coursework. Upon successful course completion, students will be issued a transcript which they can use to differentiate themselves on a college application. And the best part is World Strides has many great tools available to help every student have the chance to travel on this incredible opportunity with their classmates. The first is a need-based financial assistance program which provides over $2.5 million each year to families who qualify. Families with an annual adjusted gross income of $85,000 or less can call World Strides customer service to find out how much financial assistance may be available to them. Families can find out this amount even before signing up for the trip. Thousands of families receive assistance each year. Whether it's $50 or up to $400 off the trip price, every little bit can help make this dream a reality for your child. World Strides also has a very easy and effective student-led fundraising program called the Gift of Education. Friends, family members, and even your local community can make online donations to your child's trip, with 100% of the money going straight to offset the trip price. Through WorldStridesFundraising.com, students can send e-cards, share links on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, and even mail a traditional letter, and in one simple click, students can receive direct donations toward their trip. Each year, hundreds if not thousands of students pay for their entire trip through these Gift of Education donations. World Strides also offers affordable monthly payment plans. After signing up for your trip with a low initial deposit, the remaining balance is broken out into smaller amounts and paid monthly. We even have an automated payment option called Easy Pay, which automatically deducts your monthly payment from your bank account, saving you time.
We are so excited to be your partner in this educational journey, and we cannot wait to help make this opportunity a reality for you. Now, let's hear some final remarks from your program leader. Take care, and we hope to see you soon.
Thanks for attending. As I promised, the meeting would only last 20 minutes, so let's finish up with a few important details. The best way to register for the trip is to go online at worldstrides.com/register. You'll need our trip ID to sign up, and the trip ID is 207044. You can also sign up by calling 1-800-468-5899. If you sign up before the 23rd of November, you'll receive a $75 discount off your trip price. Again, thanks for coming, and I hope to see you on the trip.